There's a tiny decision you can make that can have a huge impact on your investing future. You don't need to be an expert. You just need a system that works, that stays on all the time. There's a debate. You've probably heard it many times before. If you have a $30,000 investment account and you leave it in the market for 25 years at regular returns, say 8%, that account can grow to over $200,000. But if you were to make small contributions, say $100 or $200 a month, that account can grow to nearly double the size. If you haven't already set up automatic deposits or automatic contributions to your iFlip account, it's really easy to do, and I promise you won't regret it. All you need to do is head over to the Funding tab, choose the deposit method that you want, select the amount, and select how often you want to contribute, weekly or monthly in this case. Then just choose whether or not you want your deposits to go into cash or directly into your core strategy. Review, submit, and voila. It's set up that easy. I'd consider a small increase to keep up with how expensive this world has gotten. I promise future you won't regret it and will be very thankful for what you did.